Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. My fellow brothers and sisters in Islam, I would like to summarize here in English what Sheikh Ahmad Bamba has said about the attributes of a sincere murid. What is murid? Murid is a disciple, a follower, tabi'a in Arabic. A murid is someone who seeks Allah's pleasure, Allah's satisfaction, but he doesn't know how to get it. He doesn't know the way to that. And he comes to the Sheikh to show him the way to that, to show him how to get Allah's pleasure, Allah's satisfaction. Sheikh Ahmad Bamba has summarized it in 4 verses in Arabic. He has said, صفات الصادق المريد باختصار 4 نظمتها خوف اغترار. الصدق في محبة الشيخ أبت ثم امتثال أمره حيث ورد وترك الاعتراض مطلقا ولو بباطن عليه فيما قد رووا ومعه سلب الاختيار لحسن ظنه بلا إنكار. The first attribute is a sincere love for the Sheikh, a sincere affection for the Sheikh. That means that he must love the Sheikh sincerely. He must have a sincerity in the affection for the Sheikh, in the devotion for the Sheikh. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu.